friends, good morning. Welcome to Myttre's kitchen. So today recipe is a beginner's recipe. Also we can tell it as a bachelor's recipe. Today recipe is our tomato rasam. How do we prepare our tomato rasam, which is very simple and yet one of the main dish in our South Indian thali and meals. The main ingredients to do our tomato rasam is of course our chopped tomatoes along with sliced onions, and I have taken these items: cumin seeds, coriander seeds, mustard seeds, tur dal, red chili, crushed garlic, chopped ginger, a marble size of tamarind along with curry leaves. We will be using our coriander leaves for garnishing. So let us get into our beginner's recipe, which is our tomato rasam for the day. Friends, the first step to do our tomato rasam is I have just added 2 tablespoons of refined oil. The oil is getting heated. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, followed with 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds along with little curry leaves, followed with crushed garlic. Along with all these items, I am going to add sliced onions, small number. Mix everything well. The required amount of salt so that the onions and the tomatoes, everything gets tossed well. Now I am going to add 3 red chili. You can add as per the spice level you need it. Now I am going to add the chopped tomatoes. 1 tomatoes I have taken, a big number. Along with tomatoes I will be adding 1 lemon size tamarind. So now I am going to add chopped tomatoes followed with tamarind. Keep the gas in the low flame and close the lid and let it get cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. Let us see how is our tomato. Yes, our tomato is nicely smushed. It's become slightly soft. Now I'm going to add a pinch of turmeric powder followed with the required amount of water. So I'm going to add 2 glasses of water. You can add as per the quantity you require. You can find it's all nicely smushed. So now we are going to add the water. So now close the lid and keep the flame in high and let it cook for 5 minutes. Well, let us see how do we do our rasam powder. So for doing our rasam powder, I am going to add 1.5 tablespoon of coriander seeds. You can add as per the quantity. Along with coriander seeds, I am going to add 1.5 tablespoon of tur dal, followed with a piece of chopped ginger, half onion finely sliced, along with 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Grind everything well and let us see what is next. We have finely grinded our powder. You can find it here. It has to be in this way, little coarsely. Once the rasam is getting nicely boiled, we need to add all this and we need to eat it for next 5 minutes and then see what is next. Our rasam is nicely boiled. The smell is fantastic. So now we are going to add our grinded fresh masala into it. I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of it. The more you add, the more the taste. So now mix the rasam nicely and just cook it for next 2 minutes. So friends, yes, the rasam is nicely boiled. So now we are going to off the stove and we are just garnishing with little coriander leaves. That's all. Our yummy rasam is ready. It's ready to be displayed and served hot. Friends, here goes our tomato rasam. So this is a very easy way to do our rasam and it's a very simple and nice dish with our homemade ingredients. So please do try this recipe. Watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipes shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye bye.